to love. 2016 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, security system, fog lamps, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.